Hey, what is up, guys? It's Jason here. I'd like to start off by mentioning that for this year, I have a plan to produce higher quality videos, stay more consistent, hopefully. Um, I plan on working on getting some animations. I've been learning to animate and do some pixel art and a couple different things, so I plan on getting some animations done, hopefully incorporating that into the videos to help with quality. Also, I kind of want to start some other programming projects and getting some videos of those. And I'm also going to be starting 2 new channels, I believe, maybe just one at the time. But one's going to be a gaming channel, and the other one possibly even a vlog channel. So as far as the videos to expect within the coming month, week, however long it takes, it's going to be a navigate pause menu with a console, how to navigate the pause menu with the D-pad and using X or A as their select button. And I don't know how to do that at the moment, so I plan on going back and learning how to do that and hopefully making a video on it, having that as a second to that video. Then I also plan on doing a 2D procedural generation map. Probably using, I don't want to say I want to use a mesh, but I'm probably going to end up using sprites for that, so possibly doing that. Then a 2D dungeon crawler that is also procedurally generated. That's something that I'm interested in at the moment because I've been watching Dark and Darker. It's a cool BR game. So if you guys are interested in that, I highly suggest looking at that. And then after that, a basic inventory system. And then I want to be going back to Block Breaker and actually doing that as a series to help myself learn level generation, or not level generation, but learning how to progress between different game states and moving from level to level. I'm saying all this, and I'm going to say I don't know when I'll have the time to do any of it, because at the moment I am in the military, and I've finally completed all my training and everything, and I'm at my station. But now, it's all dependent on what kind of work I'll be doing, when I'll be doing it, etc., etc., and planning on trying to produce higher quality videos, learn how to do all these things, as well as learning the things I need to do for my job, and also taking care of everything. It's going to take time, but I want to learn how to make games. And I'm sure the people that are going to watch this are also wanting to make games. I mean, on my not last video, but the video before last, it blew up more than I could have imagined. Blew up comparatively. It's sitting at 3,000 something views at the moment, and I could not have expected that, especially considering most of my videos have been getting roughly 50 to 100 views. But I think I'm going to try to focus a lot more on, of course, quality, but on top of that, stuff that I can't necessarily find as a result. So there's been a couple subjects I've looked up on YouTube and can't find any tutorials on how to do it. So just like this one that is on the screen right now, I needed to figure out a way to do this. So I went through a couple different methods before I figured out this was the easiest way for me to do it. And I created a video on it, and it seems other people needed that video as well. So I hope I can continue to do that, because if so, it's going to help me learn. It's going to help you guys learn, and hopefully eventually get to the point to where not only me, but you guys are also making games and selling them. But other than that, guys, I'll catch you later.